Alright, I'm here for my first time with Lone Star Coaster-thon, and I'm here in my room fixing to check in. Here's a view of Hurricane Harbor, which is tempting to go to. Try to zoom in. Seems like they're doing some TLC. Guess I'll find out tomorrow or the next day since it's all weekend. I'll be here in Arlington until Sunday. So if you see me around, say hi. Or let's find a big group of people with lanyards and name tags, and you'll notice if you're out in the park. Because we'll be at Six Flags Over Texas tomorrow. And that's it. That's how I get my room. Here comes the room tour. And I'm staying at the Howard Johnson. It's from Whiteham Hotels. It's cheap, but I already stayed here before when it snowed. So here's the tour. Time to tour my room here in Arlington. It's Howard Johnson by Whiteham. I'll put a picture of it. Standard door with a card. And you got the safe. Let's push button. Push button keypad. And as you walk in, you're greeted by a mirror. Full size door mirror. Oh, that's new. They actually block the paper towels or tissues. And got a hair dryer. Soap. And so you turn the lights. And then start. And there's me. And this is the light, the main light. It's bright, but it gets too hot, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it too much, but it's good on winter days. But if you're gonna take a shower, might as well just crank it all the way. But this light is around the mirror is perfect. Because I shower. Handle shower. original shower head. They even give you the soap and shampoo, I think. Which I think I'm gonna take this home. Closet space is pretty good in here. Here's my luggage. SeaWorld bag. And then there's a mirror. That's one thing that the hotel doesn't have enough mirrors. There's this side, there's a lamp. It's not two-sided. It has that. USBs. I think it's USB-C or it's the original USBs. The phone. Here's my bed. Picture. Another lamp. The AC, which is right temperature when I came in. Now let's go out to the balcony. Oh, here's the desk. As you can tell, all my cords are there. I'm fixing to set it up after I get back from Walmart. And I like the design with the mirrors. And this lamp is dual. Switch here. Switch here. It's the front one and the back one. That's good for nighttime or just right now. As for a coffee maker, I saw in the reviews that people were saying that it was too small. Doesn't look too small. But I don't know if I'm gonna drink it because I don't drink coffee that much. Nice drawer space. And my personal favorite, cable TV. Okay, now all important. Let's go outside. So you can see my room is jettisoned to the parking lot, which my car is going to go right there when I get back from Wally Mart. And there's a view at the traffic in Arlington, Texas. So we can get a side view. Yeah, there's the sign. And over there is Six Flags over Texas. Which I can see New Tested Giant is going over the hill right now. The one thing I like this room is because you hear all the noise, which is the traffic. Normal noise, but let's close the outer door. No noise. Well, the noise went down a little bit. And then you close the inner door. And you have no noise from outside. Plus it comes with a lot. And that's my patio for all weekend. Now, get this because I'm here with a roller coaster event called Lone Star Coaster Thon. It's American Coasters Enthusiasts, or can't say the last word. But it's a good event with a good group of people. And it's at Six Flags over Texas. So it's gonna be fun out here. The reason why I picked this hotel, because I was here a while back in 2021. It's known. I was here for Winterfest, same group, but I still have fun. But a month later, I think it was a month later, that's when I had bad news. I won't get into much details on that, but if you follow me, you know what's up. So that's why I picked this hotel. That way I can come back and have fun instead of worrying about what's happening at home. Okay, well, off to Wally World. Wait, so I might just stick around here at the park, stick around here at the hotel until tomorrow. Because tomorrow I get to do a lift climb. I get to climb the New Texas Giant. It was the Titan before, but they changed it due to, I think, painting. They don't want people to walk on the wet paint. So they changed it to New Texas Giant. So I'll be walking up there. I'm gonna try my best to get this in. Now I can just use this. But if not, I'll just use my phone. No biggie. I'm pretty sure I can get this in. Since all the rules and whatnot. So tune in. That video will, the video of both Saturday and Sunday will come out, I will say, later in the week. Because I'm gonna head in when I get back to the house. So it's gonna be fun. Come along for the ride. Peace.